going on, guys? Welcome to the video. We're just going to be seeing today how to set up the EFB in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Let's get right into it, nice and quick. So first of all, you just want to get your airport set up in your top panel up here. So we're going from Sydney to Brisbane, and let's open up the EFB and let's go to the flight planning chart. So you should already have your airports set up. It comes directly from the panel that we started before. Let's set an altitude. So we'll go to flight level 350. One thing not to forget is changing this to IFR, because we want to be flying IFR unless you're flying VFR. Runway 34 left, so our departure, we don't want to fly a VFR pattern. One thing I suggest you guys do is you go to your airport. It'll be easier to see. So right now it has us in Africa, so let's go to our airport, and as you can see, our straight line is already there, but we want to actually set up a full flight plan here. So instead of a VFR pattern for our departure, we're going to change it, and we're going to change it to, we have different departures. We'll see which one makes the most sense. So we're departing to the north, so we want a northbound departure. That's a westbound departure. That's a kind of northwest-ish. This one wouldn't be too bad. Sydney 3, that's probably just a simple departure, or WOL2. Oh, that's a funny looking departure. Oh, never mind, that's going to the south. Alright. Sydney 3 looked fine. It's just pretty much a straight out departure. It looks like, or is it? Where's the airport? Yeah, we're departing runway 34. Right, so that's to the north. Anyway, we'll keep it like this for now. So press change procedure. And we want to change our arrival also. Arrival, I have a flight plan already set up, so I want black, so I want a black arrival, so maybe this one. And as you can see, that's a southbound arrival, so that's what we want because we're coming from the south. Change procedure, and we want some kind of ILS landing. I like to check what the active runway is in Brisbane right now. Bear with me here. I'm gonna look on Flight Radar 24. I want it to be as realistic as possible. So looks like it's runway. Yeah, it looks like runway 1 is the arrivals right now. So ILS runway 10, and change procedure. So now that we've done our departure procedure, we've done our arrival procedure, we just press find route to get whatever's in the middle, and we get some waypoints that come out. That's fine. If I go back here, we'll see that those waypoints are now in. And from this point, we scroll down just a little bit. So the hardest part of the EFB is scrolling. You see, you're never going to get a good scroll. You have to be right on it. There we go. And we're going to file plan with ATC. We're going to send it to avionics. And we're done. What was that? That was like, what? Not even 5 minutes tutorial for setting up flights. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions, for sure leave it in the comment. We have different sections here for fuel and our flight plan. But other than that, you're ready to go. You can press start flight and you'll be on your way. Thanks for watching, guys.